करना है ना फिर तो।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैम आप प्लीज साइन कन्वेंशन समझा दिए, उसमें थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है।
Okay, beta. So I will first take your doubt, and then we will continue with the revision of chapter 10 light, right? So what is
ओके मैम।
sign convention? Sign convention are given by the great mathematician Cartesian, right? What he has given? The mathematician have given this graph drawing. As you draw the graph from your junior classes, that on the right hand side you have the positive x-axis, on the left hand side, that is horizontally or a straight line, then you have minus x-axis. Above this horizontal line of x-axis you have plus y-axis, and below this x-axis is minus y-axis. Just it is similar to the sign convention system. Now suppose you have this diagram of concave mirror, and this concave mirror is having three major points. As you know, there are pole, principal focus, and center of curvature, right?
Curvature.
In reference to these 3 points, we always draw the ray diagram, right? So first rule is in sign convention system, that first rule is that object is always kept on the left hand side from the pole, right? We will take here pole as the reference point, just similar to the sign convention. In the graph you take origin. You draw always the points in reference to the O. Same way here we will take reference point P, that is the pole of the concave mirror. So object is always kept on the left hand side, and object distance is denoted by small u. Image distance is denoted by small v, and small f, all of you know, is the focal length. What is focal length?
Ma'am, the length between the principal focus and the pole.
Very good.
Center of
So
curvature.
distance, very good. Distance between pole and principal focus is known as focal length. So this distance we call it as focal length. Now for a concave mirror, first of all, we need to understand that focal length is the horizontal distance that will be positive or negative. It is
Negative.
on the left hand
Negative.
side. Principal focus of concave mirror is in front of the concave mirror, or it is behind the concave mirror?
In front of the concave mirror.
In front of. That means focal length of the concave mirror here is negative or positive?
Ma'am,
If
negative.
you compare it with xy axis, it is
Negative.
negative. Very good. Right? Similarly, I told you the first rule that object is always kept on the left hand side from the pole. So if I keep object, suppose between F and C, the object distance will be u.
Yes.
Here the object distance will be u, and this u will be taken as negative or positive, Arush?
I'm negative.
It will be taken as negative. Very good. Why we have taken negative?
Because ma'am, it is in front of the mirror, and the thing which is in front of the mirror or in the left hand side is negative.
It is on the left hand side
Yeah.
of the pole, and distances on the left hand side of the pole are taken as negative, right?
Negative.
Now, second
Yes,
rule we
ma'am.
say height of object or the object distances which are above the principal axis, above the principal axis. This is principal axis, we know. So this above the principal axis, height of object is always kept erect. So object is always kept erect, right? So if object is always kept erect, height of object is denoted by H O or H I?
HO.
HO.
HO is always taken as positive. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I have kept in this situation, just recall your ray diagram table, table 10.1 for concave mirror. If object is kept between F and G, where the image will be formed?
Ma'am, beyond C.
Beyond C. And the image will be
Real and inverted.
real and inverted.
Inverted.
So that means my image will form here,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And this image will be denoted by HI. Now this image is inverted. So it will be taken as positive or negative.
Negative.
Compare with it.
Negative.
Compare with this. It will be taken as negative.
Negative.
Yeah? Because it is towards minus y-axis. So HI will be taken as negative here.
Negative.
Is it clear? Clear to you? So if image is real and inverted, height of image will be taken as negative. Object is always kept erect. So HO is always taken as positive. And
Positive.
U is always taken as negative, whether it is any lens or any mirror. So these things are very important to draw the ray diagram. Now let us discuss about V. V was, what was V?
Image distance.
Image distance. So image is formed here.
Yes.
Now this image distance in this case will be positive or negative?
Ma'am, negative.
Arush, is
I'm
right or wrong?
negative.
Negative.
Ma'am
Why
is
negative? Why negative?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because it is in on the left hand side from the pole.
yes, ma'am.
See here again. X and Y
Ma'am,
axis.
negative.
It is on the minus X axis or towards the
Ma'am,
plus
minus.
axis?
Ma'am,
Minus
it
X
is towards the
axis.
axis, and ma'am, it is also towards the minus y axis also.
No, that is height of image, beta. That is height of image.
Okay,
No?
ma'am.
Height of image is towards Y axis and the object distance, image distance are towards X axis. You have to compare
Yes,
these
ma'am.
ways. Clear? Right? Now, suppose I have kept object in this case only. Suppose I have kept object between P and F. Where the image will be found?
Ma'am, behind the mirror.
टेबल याद करनी है बेटा, तभी होंगे रे डायग्राम, अदरवाइज तो इट विल मेक अ जस्ट प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू. ओके, so image is behind the mirror and large. Now in this case, as we discussed, height of object is always positive.
Positive.
But height of image यहाँ क्या होगी आरुष?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Or
positive ही
anyone
होगी.
else can answer? Sarthak, height of image will be? Height of image will be? Anyone else can answer,
Ma'am,
beta.
positive.
Positive ही
Positive.
होगी, ma'am.
Why positive?
Ma'am, because it is
Why
along the positive y-axis above the principal.
Yes, ma'am.
Along the
Principal
positive y-axis. Again, you have to remember y is positive when it is upward, x is positive when it is on the
When it is
right hand side from origin.
inside.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear to you? Now, what will be the v? V is the image distance.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be v in this case?
Ma'am, negative.
Ma'am, no, we will be positive as it is to the right hand side from the pole.
Very good. V will be positive beta because see, it is from pole to the right hand side. Like that in the graph, from O on the right hand side distances are taken as positive plus axis. Similarly, this distance of image is towards the right hand side from the pole, so it will be taken as positive. So V will be here positive. Is it clear? Sign convention clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?